This is a standard hero section built with the WordPress block editor. There is no custom code and no additional builder involved. With WP InView, you can add subtle motion directly to any block. Notice how the headline enters smoothly, followed by the supporting text and button. The animation feels controlled and restrained. It supports the layout instead of competing with it. Everything is configured directly inside the block editor. You select a block, choose an animation type, and it works. There is no extra setup. If you want to adjust the timing, you can do it in seconds. Duration, delay, and direction are easy to manage from the sidebar. Changes are visible immediately on the front end. You can define consistent global settings across your entire site, or customize individual blocks when needed. WP InView is designed to make motion easy to use and easy to control. The result is a more refined first impression, without adding complexity to your workflow. Like the video, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what you want to build next in WordPress.